Hi, my name is Roman and this is Live on Roads.
In order to remove the ceiling panel, I need to take out headliner shelf cover. Then remove the window frames and unscrew all screws holding the ceiling panel in place. Then I realized one person is not enough to do this job. But I was lucky enough to didn't mess it up too much. Judging from the amount of rust, it appears that window has been leaking for a while. But the damage was only on the window frame. But why is it leaking? I have found it, I believe. It must be this black rubber which is peeling off. I will let it dry, buy this stuff and fix it. I tried to reseal the window with a bitumen rubber seal. I had no idea what I was doing. Moreover, it started to rain after that, and the window was still leaking. So eventually, I decided to remove the window completely. It was not easy, but I did it successfully. I'm not going to use this window anymore. There is a crack in the frame and I damaged it a little bit as well while removing. What I need to do now is cover the hole in the roof so I can put solar over it. I started by cleaning the edges and treating them against the rust. Then I used rubber pads to fill the gaps. And finally glued the metal sheet down using Sikaflex. And I was finally done with this window. After all that was cleaning the roof, relaxing job. I also painted it and resealed the big window. As I remove the small window, I can fit one large solar panel on the roof. This one is 410 watts, and I added some river nuts to mount it to the aluminum L-shaped angle profile. I also added two heavy-duty eye bolts just in case I need them. With some help, we placed the panel to the right spot and glue it down using Sikaflex. On another day, I secured the panel with 4 rivets. Then I install the cable entry gland. And finally, I connected and tidy up the cables. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.